really able to breathe in outer space if there's these open windows?
I wonder what outer space tastes like. Yeah. It's covered by plastic wrap, Ruby.
Oh, that's a relief.
Man, I really want to know what space tastes like, though.
The last time you were in space, you got obliterated by a laser.
Not true!
We're not getting him, Leafy. Time for super speed.
Getting obliterated by a laser isn't that bad!
Really?
Yeah, actually it's pretty comfortable. Let me show you. See? Didn't that feel nice?
I got it. Bleh. Taste otherworld.
Gelatin, you'd better keep your tongue in there.
What did you say?
There's no air.
I'm not gonna last much longer!
Leafy, don't want more air.
Oh, right!
More air is an app that brings you more thrilling experiences, especially when you are done.
You've been hacked.
No!
You half-cast team lost last time, so whichever one of you got the fewest votes will BRB in this first ever takeout steak over video call.
Zoom has revolutionized the way team.
And lollipop.
Well, how was the experience? Wasn't it cozy?
If you call excruciating pain cozy,
It's an Alliance member's duty to give other members air.
care to give me some air? No straw needed.
Lolly!
Gelatin, Ruby, one of you will be eliminated. How's it gonna be? The results are... Looks like Ruby is back to being a hidden gem.
Woo! Please, 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 can I stay in the game, please, please? But it was only by 96 votes!
What if I said yes?
I would ignore you.
Yes.
Haven't you taken sun lessons before? Everyone knows that
I don't know anything about what you're going to say.
I don't know either.
I don't know anything about what you're going to say.
I don't know either. I don't know either.
Guys, I think Teardrop said they want to pour the ice. Just tell us if you don't want to be the one to pour the ice. Otherwise, you can be the one to do it. Okay, I guess Teardrop is doing it. Let's get out of here. No, wait, guys!
We started this as a team. Let's end together as a team, too.
I'm burning! Blocky! That made the sun even hotter! X is dying!
Looks like my mission is done.
-1 point for the have-nots!
For what it's worth, I think this is working. I'm not dripping onto the floor anymore.
Is that what this purple goop on the surface is?
Yes, it is. Please don't make a big deal about this.
The sun is 2 degrees colder again. This is nice. Plus 90 points for the have-cots.
Hey, have-cots. Or should I say, crybabies?
What? How could you say that to us?
Hey, son, you're, pretty lame. I put a block around.
What if we...
Minus.
How about...
Minus.
Minus.
Minus. Rockets.
Minus.
Minus.
Minus. Minus.